Well, I'm stuck in my normal commute traffic, so figured I would make this video really quick about the Stark Varg kits. So those should be available for sale, obviously, in a couple weeks after the guy that helped me develop a couple things and shorten up the wiring and just dial everything in a little bit. After he gets back to me, lets me know everything is good, how the install went and all that, and after I have instructions made on how to install it, those kits will go up for sale. But I was wondering if you guys would be interested, because I know there's about 20 to 25 people that have contacted me already about the Stark kit. So I was curious if you guys would be interested in doing some sort of a pre-order type deal. That way you have your spot saved in line pretty much, because if I get 10, 15 orders at once, depending on when those orders are made, I might not be able to do them immediately, because I have all the parts on hand. It's just a matter of building the kits, because they will be the first ones that I've built. And I was just curious what your guys' opinion is. If you'd like me to do the pre-order, go ahead and comment on this video and I will get it set up. Otherwise, I will just do it like my other kits, where you just make the order and then I'll ship it out as soon as I can. Typically with the other kits, it's only 5 days or less is what it takes for me to build it if I don't have it, or a lot of the time you order a bunch of customizations, so I have to customize the kit and build it for you one at a time pretty much. So we'll see how that goes, but let me know, comment on this video, and I will decide what I'm doing at that point. So appreciate it.